Hey families, it's Miss Bland, and this is going to be, I'm breaking up the place value videos into a few just because we have so many different concepts that fall under the umbrella of place value. But the first thing I want to show you is a place value chart. Students may see place value charts in different forms. We've glued in one in their interactive notebook that has a certain format, but this is how we generally will write out the place value charts in our daily math review and other classwork. So I have them draw 6 blank spaces. They have to make sure the comma is in the middle. Then we label the places. I know it's a lot of writing, so I am fine if we abbreviate. So this is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is the hundreds place, which they should be familiar with these 3 places from last year, 2nd grade, previous grades. Then we move into the thousands place, the 10,000s place, and the 100,000s place. So in 3rd grade, we go up to 6 digits with place value. So this is the place value chart. I tell students that they might even be dreaming about place value charts because we just write so many of them. They get into the habit and they turn out really good. So this is what a place value chart looks like. We're going to put the number 813,524 into this place value chart. So all you would do is write your 813,524. So that's how you put a number into a place value chart. We've been learning about the difference between a number's place and a number's value. So the place is literally what place is it in. So for example, 8 is in the 100,000s place. 5 is in the hundreds place. So that's literally the place that it is in. Now, students know that the value means the worth. So we use that word interchangeably. Value means worth. So if I want to know the value of the 3 and the number 813,524, the strategy we use is to pull it. So I will tell them, pull it. They know that's the strategy. So we literally just draw a line down, right? The 3, we are pulling it. So we've pulled the 3. Make sure you bring that comma down. Everything else just turns into a 0. So the place of the 3 is the thousands place, and the value or the worth is 3,000. If I want to do this with another number, let's do the 8. So the 8, we know the 8's in the 100,000s place. If I want to know the value, then we pull it. So I will draw my line, pull the 8 down, everything else turns into a 0. So they'll draw their line, that turns into a 0. This turns into a 0. Make sure you have the comma. Pull it. Everything else turns into a 0. It's a pretty simple strategy once you get the hang of it. The kids know, but it's just the difference between place and then the value. That can be tricky sometimes. If it asks for place, it's literally asking what place it is it in? And value is the worth. How much is it worth? So that's why we pull it. Everything turns into a 0. So that's the first little intro, first part of the place value videos.